Hello friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to share with you my little garden. Okay, see the overview of this. I'll first of all show you the overview of my little garden. See here from here. You can see some bell. This is Bilva Patra. And you can see from here some crotons are there. And this is pomegranate. This is here I'm having some pomegranate. Here this is a star fruit. And flowers are also there. You can see here some flowers are also there. You can see on the top, and so many flowers are coming up. See here. Okay. See here. So bunches of flowers are coming on the star fruit like. So this is here also you can find. You can see so many flowers are there. Maybe I'll get some fruits also, star fruits. So this is the night queen like. Night queen, it's bearing some buds. It's having some buds. It's more. Its smell is very fragrant. Like it has. Then this is that is Crossandra and Tecoma. Tecoma orange is there. You can see there on the top. I have kept, and even that amaranthus is also there. See here. I have two Tecoma plants here. Here also you can see, and Crossandra is also there. Here also it's there, but we can't see that. See here, it's fully occupied with other plants also. That is why it's not growing properly. You can see that one. There it is. There it is. But all these plants have come off in that, so I have to remove all of them. And next what I'm having is, you can see from here, these are the roses. Roses actually, these, see, so cute they are. These are the rose plants I have purchased recently. Here about 30 rupees or something, not more. So that what happened is, on this plant, all the 4 plants I have purchased at the same time. Okay, see here, this is one, and there is another one. But what happened is, some plants, other plants are growing off on that, and these plants are not growing. But in this there is nothing, so buds are coming. You can see. So if you want these roses and anything small, this is a small container and we are having only one plant. If some other plants also grow into this, then what happens is the main plant will be affected. You can see. Even on that also the same thing happened. Okay, see that so nicely flowers are also coming off. I have purchased recently only, but still flowers are coming. And here what happened is, it's full of other plants, so nothing is coming. Okay, flowers are not there. So I loved the roses. For these roses I have given some banana peel powder and eggshell powder I have given, so that it's blooming like, see. So nice, no? So 1 or 2, it's okay. Then this is curry leaf, because every time we will be though I'll be having in the fridge, because I'll be getting from my sister's place a lot of curry leaf, but sometimes in emergency I'll be plucking from this. So I kept it down. I have put it down. Actually it was on the terrace, and I have put it down. So what is this? A Saphodilla. So many fruits are there coming up, and next I'll be having these. After this Anjur is over, then these will be coming up. You can see some fruits here. Okay, some are there, not very not a lot, but you can see here. See here. There it's like this. You can see some fruits on this here. So this here also you are having. So, and this like this it is. Some coleus plants are there, and Malabar spinach is there. Malabar spinach also, if I want to take from here also I can take. See here, that is there, some leafy vegetable. And so like this it is. This is an aloe vera. This is aloe vera. And you know what is there inside? What is here? What is here means, this is the earthworm bed like. I wanted to grow these earthworms separately, because what is happening is, inside so many earthworms are there. Yeah, you can see here. So many earthworms are there. What happened is, if they are in these containers, sometimes if it's very hot, they can't. They are very delicate and they will die. And even if it rains also, what's happening is, full rains are there means, what happens is all of them they'll try to come out. That is the problem, and they'll be crawling around here. So I thought that we should put them in a safe place, and I just put them in this container. Okay, I have shifted and how I did it and what happened actually, why this idea came. I'll tell you in my next video. Okay, this is what I want to share with you. This is my small little space where I have a cup of coffee or tea like that. And yeah, I spend time with my little Snoopy also. It will be playing here only. It likes this place also. So like this it is. And I think I hope you like this small garden of mine. And if you like, please press the like button. And then what you have to do is share it with your friends and press. And if you like the content, please comment. Oh, please comment. And then next what you have to do is, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos too. Okay then, thank you and bye.